Hey everybody, Chris at Ujoint, another Class C. Been banging out a lot of these lately. This is another one going to New York. It's going to my birthplace of Long Island, New York. I think this is number 7 or 8. I need to do a fresh count. So the thing is a 2014. It's a Chateau. We did a normal, basically the same setup we've been doing on all these RVs, which works out well. It's just the best overall performer for reliability, handling, driving. Just got our 6-inch lift with custom spec springs, front and rear. So we weigh them before we get the springs built, so they're made for the actual weight of the RV. As I've stated before, it's a big problem with these things. The reason they don't drive well stock is because they're undersprung. So stage 2 front axle, 456 gears, RSC upgrade, all the usual Ujoint goodies. Sorry it's dirty. It's been raining non-stop, so I don't have time to clean it, and it'll be another waste of time to clean it anyway. Front bumper, we did something a little different. We color matched. We tried to color match the best we could to the coach. This is our FB002 front bumper, all aluminum, weighs 65 pounds. We packed it with a Warn VRS 12,000. This is the first one that we've done a front hitch on. So we made our front hitch similar to our FB001 bumper. It attaches to the winch mounting holes. I'll turn the lights on in a second. Just get a shot of the front axle. Exhaust mods. NV271, 1350 CV front shaft. We did do OBA on this rig. Front wheels are Pro Comp 1069 series with a 295 7017 front tire. The rear, which is a Toyo Mud Terrain. Rear tire is a 255 85 16 on the stock inside wheels, and some Ultra wheels on the outside, polished aluminum. A lot of guys question the difference with the wheels. Run a single wheel up front and spares. If you have a catastrophic tire failure, this RV actually does have a dually spare under the back, which is getting rare. You can run the dually wheel inside out on the front if you have an extreme tire failure. This RV did not have airbags on it, so we added them. Got the dual air command right there, and has an S-Pod to run the air compressor and the lights. Turned out real nice. This front bumper looks great. Super happy with the color match. Guy's coming down in a couple hours to pick it up, take it on vacation, and then it will be all over the beaches of New York this summer. If I forgot anything, I'll put it in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. UjointOffroad.com. Email me, Chris at UjointOffroad.com. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. Give us a follow. Thanks for the support. Have a great day.